Today we have the 2020 BMW 3 Series. This is a petrol plug-in hybrid vehicle. It has done just under 91,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and hands-free calling. On our screen we can access map, navigation, media, communication, Apple and Android CarPlay, and our vehicle status. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between sport, hybrid, electric and adaptive. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our sunroof.